Lexi Lahara, and I teach kindergarten here at Grant Elementary. And I was lucky enough to have PROJECTbraincore come to my classroom and work with my students once a week.
So collect all your fear and put that in the bye-bye boat too. Is it all in there? And you feel so good now that you don't have to carry around all those worries, any anger, and any fear anymore.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. All through my city, through my home. We're flying up the ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket.
You got it? Go, keep going. Inside. Bring your back leg back.
It drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it. Moving so phenomenal.
When you try to get all those things wrapped in your head, like you're like, oh my gosh, I can clap. Oh my gosh, I can do brain walk. I can do all these things. Just try to do one at a time and master each one. Yeah, you got it. Right.
Just like that. All right.
Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. Ooh, it's something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. I don't need no reason, don't need control. I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my zone. Cause I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my
Amongst the kids, I feel like they are a little shy and reserved when they first get to us, and they don't really use their voice. They're very good listeners, but even by the end of the evaluation, they're counting louder.
And then by the end, they realized that it's fun and they can do it, and they were skipping and they were laughing and smiling.
You got it. You got it.
That's it, God! You just did it! Do it again! Okay, Angel, tell me all about your picture. What is it? Oh, skipping! I like it. Let's see. This is you skipping. I love it. Was that your favorite part of braincore? You got so much better every single week while you did it. You tried so hard, and if you can do skipping, you can do so many different things. I love it. And Jaden, tell me about your picture about braincore.
It's a rainbow and it has a lot of rainbows.
A lot of rainbows. Do you like rainbows?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me about your picture that you drew. What is it? Oh, I love it so much. That's a great picture. And have you liked PROJECTbraincore coming to your classroom? Yes. Is that your favorite part? Is jump roping? All right. You're really good at it. Thank you so much. It's so fun.
So the more opportunity that you have to work with other groups of students, the more you'll learn, and the more you'll expand your knowledge or your repertoire of ideas. And I mean, I think you just got to keep on keeping on and come back because we miss you.
Bye. See you later.